The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for central Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Merrill, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Freeland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Saginaw and Bridgeport. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Saginaw, Michigan,